At first glance, this looks beyond saving. A luxury superyacht, abandoned, destroyed by time, weather, and neglect. Most people would scrap it. But what if this wreck could become a masterpiece again? Today, you're watching the full restoration. Every major repair, every rebuild, every transformation. Stay till the end for the final reveal. Enjoying this transformation, hit subscribe because we restore the world's most abandoned luxury machines back to life. And trust me, the best part is still coming.
Sensors are fully calibrated.
Confirmed. We are clear for departure.
All right, keep it steady. Slow lower. Got it. Looks good right there.
Spatial dynamics are exactly right.
If this satisfied you, subscribe right now, because even bigger abandoned restoration projects are coming next. Click the next video and keep the transformation going.